In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create shorts from your long form videos and how to properly optimize your shorts before uploading them. Now you may ask me, what are shorts? Shorts are vertical videos under 60 seconds that are being shown on short feed on YouTube. As you can see, shorts are like Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, just like TikTok videos that YouTube pushes to millions of people on YouTube. So these are examples of shorts. Now, there have been some controversies about shorts. Some YouTubers say, like when I started YouTube 2 years ago, some YouTubers will say it's not really important to upload shorts, while some will say it is very important to upload shorts. So everything I'm teaching you here is based on my experience and research. And I will say it is very important to upload shorts on your channel, especially with the fact that you can crop a part of your video and use it as shorts. So why is it important that you upload shorts as a YouTuber? Whether you are growing your channel through shorts only or you are creating long form videos. The first reason is that shorts are being pushed to millions of people, subscribers, non-subscribers, people who are interested in your kind of content and people who are not interested in your kind of content. You get a huge visibility from shorts. Now, when you get visibility from shorts, you may get people subscribing from shorts. Now, if you're a content creator, I have shorts on my channel that I've gotten subscribers from my shorts. So if you're uploading shorts, especially if you are cropping the most important part of your videos and uploading them as shorts, you will have subscribers on your channel. If 1,000 subscribers is what you are looking for, please consider uploading shorts so that you can get those subscribers both from your long form videos and from shorts. Another important reason why you should upload shorts is that shorts generate income for your channel. Even though the revenue from short is quite low, but remember, it is little drops of water that makes an ocean. Remember that every revenue on YouTube is very important. So if you are monetized or you are not monetized, please upload shorts. And if you are monetized, please be uploading shorts. Those small revenue you make from shorts add up to your main revenue. I hope you understand. Another reason why you should be uploading shorts on your channel is that shorts will keep your channel active, even if you are not uploading long form videos. You know, as creators, there is always a point where we face like breakdown. Maybe you are short of ideas, you don't know what to upload again. You can just be uploading shorts and it's going to keep your channel active. You know, if you keep your channel inactive for a very long period of time, YouTube will eventually demonetize your channel. So even when you are short of ideas, you don't know what to post, you don't know what to do on your channel again, just keep uploading shorts and your channel will still remain active. So it is very important as a creator for you to upload shorts on your channel. I have made revenue from shorts, though they are small, but it is very, very helpful. Trust me, people that are making those small revenues from their shorts, they will attest to the fact that it is very helpful. Without much ado, let's go into my YouTube app. Let me show you the right way to crop the important part of your video and upload it as a short and how to optimize it properly. So let's go. Now you are going to open the YouTube app. So click on you. Okay, so I'll click on my channel. So I want to create shorts from one of my long form videos. Now click on videos. So when I click on videos, I'm going to select one of my videos that I want to create shorts out of the video. So I'll click on that video. What you do after you've uploaded your video on YouTube can make a huge difference in your video's overall performance. Okay, so if I click on the video, I'm going to go on, as you can see, remix. Okay, when I click on remix, if you check, it's going to show edit into a short. So I'll click into edit into a short. When I click on edit into a short, as you can see at the top is 15 seconds. Now I'm going to change it to 60 seconds. So I've changed it to 60 seconds, as you can see. So I'm going to hold here and pull. You can pull it in and out. So let's say I just want to make it to up to 20 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, I've cropped up to 20 seconds, and you want to choose the most important part, or a part that triggers curiosity, okay? A part that you are solving a particular problem. So make sure you are cropping one of the most important parts of your video. So now that I've cropped this, I'm going to click on done. Now the video is processing. So the video has finished loading. Now we are going to click on next. So when I click on next, okay, the first thing you want to do is to add a thumbnail to your video. Now when you click on this pencil icon, click on the pencil icon, and then you can use your hand to find a thumbnail for your video. Okay, just use your hand and go through the video like this, so you get a thumbnail for your video. Okay, just like that. So I want to use this as my thumbnail, or let me check something. Let me go to the first part. So this is the thumbnail I want to use for the video, and then click on tick. This one that says tick good. You click on it. I've created my thumbnail. Now the next thing you want to do is to add caption to your video. Okay, caption. Now, the main video talks about the things you have to do after you've uploaded your video on YouTube. So I will just write a short caption on the video. Things, I'll just write a short caption like things to do after after uploading a YouTube video. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my hashtag. So you may want to add just one or two hashtags. So I'm just going ahead to add my hashtag shorts. As you can see, 1.5 billion videos that are using this hashtag shorts. So I'm just going to click on shorts. That's all I need. If you want to add another hashtag, please make sure it is maximum 3 hashtags. Okay, so we are done with hashtags. So you are going to go down. Okay, it's on private. I'm going to put it on unlisted to make sure that my short has no violation, and I've properly optimized my shots before uploading that shot. So I've put it on unlisted, and I'm going to go back. Okay, now you want to set it at audience. Okay, mine is on auto default. That is why I'll urge you to go and watch the video on how to properly optimize your channel. This is automatic now on my channel. It is not meant for kids. Now we are going to go down. This is very important. We want to promote that long video that we have cropped into a short. Now I'm going to click on related video. Okay, when I click on related video and then I come on YouTube, as you can see, 8 things every smart YouTuber does immediately after upload. I'll just click on the video. As you can see, the video is right here. As you can see, 8 things every smart YouTuber does after uploading. So if somebody is watching that short, this particular part of the video will be there. If someone clicks on these 8 things every smart YouTuber does, the person will automatically go into your channel and watch that video from the beginning to the end. So it is very important that you do this. We are going to go into the next important thing, which is altered content. So you will say no, read through the altered content. So I'll click on no, then I'll go back. Another important thing you want to include on your video is allow video and audio remixing. So I'll click on it. And again, if you optimize your channel properly, this will be automatic. As you can see, allow video and audio remixing so that people can remix your video and your video is going to go viral. So turn that on and I'll go back. Another one is paid promotion and brands. So click on it. So does this video include paid promotion? My video is no. So if yours is yes, you may want to include yes. So for me, I will click no. Please, all these things are very important that you add to your video. And again, if your comment section, the last thing, if your comment section is turned off, please make sure you turn it on. So make sure you turn all these things on, and then we are going to click on upload short. As you can see, this is the short. It is uploading. Now, while the shop is uploading on YouTube, we are going to open the YouTube Studio app. So I'll click on the YouTube Studio app. So when I click on the YouTube Studio app, I'm going to click on content. So when I click on content, I'm going to see, you see where it is written short. So I'm going to click on view all. So you can see that this is the short video over here. So I'm going to click on the short. So when I click on the short, we are going to now fully optimize our short here in the YouTube Studio app. Okay. So I'll click on the pencil icon. When I click on the pencil icon, you can see the title. Now you can see description. Whilst we were optimizing the video on the YouTube app itself, there was no space for add description. Now on the YouTube Studio app, you will see add description. I can go ahead and add a short description to this short. Okay, but I'm going to do that later. I don't want to bore you with everything. Okay, so I'll add that later. As you can see, we did it on unlisted. It is there, not made for kids. We did it on the YouTube app. The related video, we did it on the YouTube app. Now we are going to go now to even playlist as well. We did it on the YouTube app itself. Now the most important thing I want to show you right here, you can even see altered content. Now the most important thing we are going to do on the YouTube Studio now is to add description. And if you see right down, you see tags, shorts, remixing, category, and more. So we are going to click on that. So when we click on that, you will see it here, tags. You can see tags at the top. So for tags, I'm just going to add maybe 2 tags. Don't add too many tags, okay? I'm just going to add maybe 1 or 2. Okay, so I just copy 1 tag from where I paste it. So I'm going to paste the tag here. I'll press and hold and then paste. You can see after uploading YouTube video. So I can add another tag if I want, but I'm going to leave it like that. Now the next is short remixing. Allow video and audio remixing, as you can see. And if you optimize your channel properly, please kindly watch the video how to optimize your channel properly. It will be on automatic, okay? So paid promotion, we set it no, it doesn't include any paid promotion. Now category, please, you want to click on category. Mine is on education because I do educational content. Now you can see comedy, cars and vehicles, entertainment, gaming, music. Please add a category to your short, okay? Since mine is on education, I optimize my channel so it's automatic. If your comment section is not on, please turn it on. And if you have put it on not made for kids, your comment section will automatically be on. Now show how many viewers like this video. If you want your viewers to be shown, you can turn it on. Now standard YouTube license, if you optimize your channel too, you see that it's on. Allow embedding as well, leave it on. After you set this part properly, we are going to click on this arrow to go back. So when we click on this arrow to go back, for the visibility, we left it at unlisted, but I want to change the visibility of this video. Since the visibility is on unlisted, you can see I'm going to put it on schedule because I want to upload it tomorrow. If you see that you are done optimizing the shot and it has no issues, you can put it on public. So I'm going to put it on schedule because I want the video to go live tomorrow. So it will be 13th, and then time, let me say 12:15. Okay, I'll click OK, and then I'll go back, and then please make sure you click save. Okay, click save, and now you have fully optimized your shot. So now let us check out the shot on YouTube and see how it looks like. So I'll click on the shot. Now the first thing you want to, so as you can see, it is created from this place. So if someone clicks on this arrow, it's going to take you into the main video, as you can see. So this is how to crop a shot from a main video, optimize it and upload it. And the last thing you want to do is that please make sure you're uploading your shots at the right time. That is when your viewers are online. Now go to your YouTube Studio, go to analytics. Under analytics, you go to audience. Now when you check on audience, you see this portion where it is written when your audience are online. Please post at the right time, and then you are going to get the visibility that you want. Even if you're not getting the visibility, please keep posting shots, and one day one of your shots will go viral, and that is how you're going to be getting views on your channel. So please, I want you to consider posting shots if you have not been posting shots. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Let's discuss in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.